In this video, I'm going to share with you how to delete a level from Fibonacci on MetaTrader 5. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 5 and let's add our Fibonacci. Okay, so this is the Fibonacci and I will add it, for example, here. Okay, for you can add it whenever you want. And let's say, for example, I want to remove this level here, the 23.6%. So all you have to do is right click in your Fibonacci like this and click on properties, this one. Now go to levels, this one, and here you will find the level you want to remove. So for me, as I said, I want to remove this one, 23.6. This is that level. So click on it one time and you will see here delete. Click on it and now click on OK. And as you can see, that level has been deleted. Okay, and that's it. So now let's remove this Fibonacci and let's add a new Fibonacci. As you can see, we don't have that level. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.